Hi, Ashley and Amber. I'm going to look at your work together. I'm sure you have moved on to the milestone, but I wanted to give you critique anyway. I think this looks fantastic. As I've said before, the only thing I want people to do who are this far ahead is to look out for widows and orphans, and that's really what I scanned the document for. You have nice spacing throughout. Let me make sure that's consistent. Okay, are these aligned? That's one thing you could do to make sure that this document looks super consistent is align where the type starts on every page. Make sure that it's the same throughout. That's really about it. I think it's a great piece for your portfolio. Okay, Ashley, I'm going to look at yours too. All right. I love that textured background. Nobody does that anymore. I think you can solo bring that back. I always thought it was wonderful. Oh, I'm not sure you needed center justified because it looks a little funny underneath this left justified block. You might want to just put this away for a while, possibly put getting started manual on its own line, or just leave getting started. You probably don't need the word manual. All right, same thing with you. I think you are also pretty advanced here. I am looking for widows and inconsistent spacing. Not seeing any. It's really beautiful. I love it. Okay, fantastic. All right, you two, let me know if you have any questions.